Hello and welcome to part 9 of the IlearnWales video tutorials. This video is going to show you how to set up a group page, so things like embedding websites onto the group page, adding files to shared folders and so forth. So your group should be on the left hand side of your screen on your personal dashboard. So these are the groups I'm a part of. Obviously these will be your classes. I'm going to go to Chris Test, that group, which is one I just set up just for this purpose. These are the pupils which will be in the group. It's just me and Joe Mangle I've made up for this purpose. Okay, and this is your group dashboard. So you'll automatically have the shared folder area where you can put in presentations, you can put in resources for pupils to share. Pupils can save resources here, so it's like almost like a shared area on the group page. So if we go to shared folder, I've already created two subfolders, Chris and presentations. This is easy to do. If you come to the right hand side of the screen there, and you've got new folder there, as you hover over, click on new folder, and you can give the folder a name. So I'll just put shared resources. Okay, click save, and you can go back to shared folder, and there is a new folder there you could put shared resources in. If you want to add a file to these folders, again it's as simple as go to the right hand side of the screen there and you can click on new file. So I'll click on shared resources first, click on new file, and I'll choose file. So I'll find the file I want to add. I'll say this digital technologies. You can give a brief description. This contains Web 2 technologies. You don't have to though. Click on save, and now that document there is in the shared folder. So if I take you back to the group page, Chris Test, go into shared resources, click on there, and a Word document should open, which is open to everybody who is in that group. Here we go. Okay, and it's really as simple as that. So go to shared folder, and there you are, add new folder, and add new file to whichever folder you want it to go in. Also on your group page, you can embed HTML. So if you've got a YouTube clip you want to share with the class, or you've created a wall wisher, a GoAnimate, a Prezi, or a Voki, it's quite easy to embed. I'll show you how to embed now. You can add widgets like you can to your personal dashboard. You can add widgets to your group page. So if you go to the top left hand corner, drop down box, you've got announcements, courses, embedded HTML, group blogs, group features, and group reports. I'm going to click on embedded HTML and then add widget, okay, which has appeared over here, but there's nothing there at the moment. So I want to put a YouTube clip on. So if in another tab I've got open a YouTube clip like Raspberry Pi, which is a new technology. Okay, I'm going to copy the URL, right click, copy, go back to my learning space, click on edit widget. Okay, and all you need to do now is put in a title. So I'll put Raspberry Pi, and then if you click on the little film strip here, it says insert or edit embedded media, and then all I have to do is right click and paste the URL into file URL, click insert. You sometimes have to resize this square here, I won't do that now, and then click save, and then on your group page is the YouTube clip you wanted. There we go. Okay, and it really is that simple. If you want to add a course, again that will be on the widget here. So you drop down box, click on courses, add widget, and then go to create course. Now to find out more about creating courses, please see the video for creating a course for your class in IlearnWales. And the same goes for forums and group blogs. I will show you group blogs quickly. If I click on the drop down box, go to blogs, click add widget, okay, and then you can go to blog there. This is one I made up earlier, a test blog which the pupils could access. You could tell them what you want them to do. It could be a pupils blog which is linked to it, or anything. And that is really all there is to creating a group page. Your pupils will already be in there, the members will be there, and shared folder, great area to share resources, and embedded HTML is a nice way to share any prezzies, YouTube clips, or any other media that you think would be useful for that group. I hope this has helped. Thanks for watching.